Do you want to create wealth for yourself and your family? Do you want to retire wealthy? Do you want to create lifetime income for yourself and your family? Most people think you need to earn 5 lakhs per month or have some big business to retire rich. But that's not true. Even with a modest salary, you can build a huge retirement corpus or a financial freedom fund. And today, I'm going to break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll see how a small SIP can grow into crore or more and why starting early is the real superpower. Yes, I know. Retirement feels far, far away for most of us. 20, 30, 40 years from now. So we delay saving and investing. I'll tell you a story. When I met one of my clients, he said, Rahul, I'll start investing after I buy my car, after my promotion, after my wedding. And guess what? He started 10 years later. By then, he had to save 3 times more every month just to catch up. The later you start, the harder it gets. If you are in your 20s or early 30s or even 40s, time is your best friend. Compounding is like planting a tree. The earlier you plant, the bigger the shade later. So let's look at some numbers. If you invest only 10,000 per month for 25 years, assuming a 12% annual return, you can build a corpus of more than 1.5 crore. Now here's the magic. Rupees 10,000 a month is less than what many of us spend on weekend outings, online shopping, or even Zomato orders. But invested smartly, it gives you financial freedom. Yes, building the first crore feels tough. It takes time and patience. But once you cross this, compounding takes over. The second crore comes much faster, and the third even quicker. And that's why staying consistent is the real game changer. Now, let me be really, really honest with you. 1 crore today is not going to be equal to 1 crore 25 years later. Why? Because inflation eats into the value of money. For example, a plate of pani puri that was 5 or 10 rupees in the 80s or the 90s costs you real almost 50 rupees today. The same will happen with your retirement expenses or your financial freedom. So while 1 crore may sound big, realistically you may need 3 to 4 crores for a comfortable retirement or your financial freedom. And that's why your SIP should not be static. It should increase with your income. Think of it as giving yourself a salary hike for your future self. So here's the formula. Start now, stay consistent with your SIPs. Increase your SIPs every year by at least 10% and let compounding do the heavy lifting. The first crore may really feel like climbing a mountain, but beyond that, the journey speeds up. Compounding will take over. Remember, wealth is not built by timing the market, it's built by time in the market. If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people. In fact, I would request each and every one of you to comment below with your retirement or financial freedom age target. I'd love to know. And if you want a personalized retirement roadmap or a financial freedom roadmap for yourself and your family, I have added a link in the description to book a quick free call with me. Your money should give you peace and not stress. Start your journey today. See you in the next video. Until then, live happy rich.